Question 4, Part A. Write down all the factors of 20. In order to find out the factors of 20, you have to identify the numbers starting from 1 to 20, where 20 is divisible, and then we get the numbers as 1, 2. We know that 20 is not divisible by 3, therefore it is not a factor. Then we know that 20 is divisible by both 4 and 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9 are not factors of 20. And then 10 is a factor of 20. Finally, we get 20 as the factor of 20. So we have 6 values of factors of 20. If you write all 6 of them, you would get 2 marks. However, there are some restrictions. If you have written only 3 correct values but with 0 incorrect values, you can get 2 marks. If you have written 4 correct values with 0 or 1 incorrect values, still you would get 2 marks. If you have more than 1 incorrect value with 4 correct values, you would get only 1 mark. Finally, if you have 5 or 6 correct values with up to 2 incorrect values, you can still score 2 marks. When you are writing the answers, the order does not matter. So you can write it in any order, but as I told you, it's easier if you check the divisibility of 20 by each number starting from 1 all the way up to 20. You would have to do this mentally and very fast. Also, you can write these answers in pairs. You may write it as 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. This would also give you 2 marks. However, make sure to not to write repeated factors, such as you don't write 1, 2, 2, 5. So here we have repeated factors that would give you only 1 mark. Part B. Micah says when 2 multiples of 5 are added, the answer is always a multiple of 10. Give one example to show that he is wrong. So you need only one example. We know that if you take the 2 simplest multiples of 5, which are 5 and 10, so if you add 5 and 10, we get the answer as 15. We know that 15 is not a multiple of 10, therefore his statement is wrong. There may be several other answers. You may think of other counter examples such as 20 and 15. That would also give you 35. So simply what you can do is take one number which is a multiple of 10 and the other number which is a multiple of 5. If you add these two, you would always get a multiple of 5 but not a multiple of 10.